Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Greek salad in Dreamlight Valley. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cucumber, 1 tomato, 1 onion, and 1 feta cheese. These fresh items are essential for a perfect salad and can be found by exploring different areas of the valley. Make sure you have all 4 items ready before heading to the cooking station. Now, let's pinpoint where to find each ingredient. Cucumbers thrive in the chilly frosted heights. Head to Dazzle Beach for juicy tomatoes. Onions are plentiful in the mystical Forest of Valor. Finally, visit Ramai's Pantry to purchase your feta cheese. Collecting these items is part of the fun adventure in the valley. With all your ingredients in hand, it's time to cook. Find any cooking station, like the one in your house or at Ramai's restaurant. Open the cooking menu and carefully place 1 cucumber, 1 tomato, 1 onion, and 1 feta cheese into the pot. Once all 4 items are added, confirm your selection to create your delightful Greek salad. Congratulations, you've made a delicious Greek salad. This 3-star meal is fantastic for restoring your energy, providing 915 energy points to help you continue your adventures. You can also sell it for 378-star coins if you need some extra currency. Enjoy your culinary creation or share it with a friend in Dreamlight Valley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.